Hello, welcome to the leanEdit installation guide. Before we can install the leanEdit application on your computer, we need to determine if it is a 32 or 64-bit system. This can be found by clicking in the search window and typing in system information. An information box will come up and it will indicate whether your system operates at 32 or 64 bits. As you can see, my computer happens to be 64-bit. You should have received a video analysis updater file. You need to confirm that the version you are using correlates to the version that is for your particular system. I will double-click this file to begin the installation process. You will notice that I received a message indicating that Java has not been installed on my computer. This software will have to be installed before the leanEdit application will function. By clicking OK, it will take you to a website where the Java software can be downloaded and installed. The executable file has been downloaded to my computer. I will open up the executable file and it will initiate the installation process for Java. I will click Install and say OK, and this will download the installer for Java. This takes a few seconds and then it will initiate the Java installation wizard. Once initiated, this wizard will take a few minutes to install. I will pause the video while this software installs. The green status bar will show you how much progress you've made as the Java installation process completes. Once it is done, you will need to reinitiate the leanEdit installation wizard by going to the video analysis updater file and double-clicking on it again. As you can see, Java has been installed on my machine. I will click Close, return to my Downloads folder, and execute the updater file once again. I will click on Install New Application and accept the licensing agreement. Click on Next, and I will locate the folder that I want to install the leanEdit application in. It is important to note that we do not want to install this program under the Program Files or Program Files x86 folders. It would be better to install it at the root directory at C:, or into an applications folder that you have created. I will click Next to create the installation files, and I will click to create a desktop shortcut. This will ensure that you will have easy access to this software and is highly recommended. I will start the installation process, and this will take only a few seconds to complete. Once this process is finished, I will have a functional version of the leanEdit software. I can click Finish and it will launch the software itself. At this point, I have two options. I continue to use this trial version and I will be able to work on one project with up to 15 clips. Otherwise, I will need to get a license for the software to continue functioning. In order to do that, I will click on Request New License, and it will generate a license file that I need to store on my computer. This file will then need to be emailed to your leanEdit representative so the license file can be updated. Once you have the file updated and it has been returned to you from your leanEdit representative, you will browse to that file. Mine happens to be in my Downloads folder. You will select the file, click Open, and you will upload this file. And you now have a fully functional version of the leanEdit application. If you have any questions, please reach out to us through our website at leanEdit.com. Thank you.